and welcome back to my channel. So ayun, for today, I have an event to attend to, a training for that event. So for this whole week, meron tayong event na attendant, and ayun, so samahan nyo ko and isasama ko kayo. Ipapakita ko din kung saan ang magiging event natin for this week. Okay? I'll see you on my vlog. Bye! Hi guys! Ayun, andito na tayo sa venue ng event natin for today, and I'm gonna show it to you later, okay? For today, it's Saturday and it's our training, and from tomorrow to Thursday yung event natin. So, samahan niyo ko. Comfy ano lang, sweater sa taas, tas bag, ayan, tas pants. Hindi ko mapakita yung buong damit ko, but ayan. Everyone, nandito na tayo sa venue natin. Ayan ang overlooking. Ayan. So, ayan yung event place ko ngayon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa other side. And, ayan. Kikita nyo. Yan yung view natin ngayon. Ganda, di ba? Guys, ayan yung outfit ko. Nakaban ako. Tapos, yan. Meron kaming badge. Yan, crew. Tapos, ayan outfit ko. Ayan. Plain doll shoes. Tapos, pants. And then, ayan lang. Ganyan lang. Tapos, bawal kasi naka-makeup kaya bare ang face natin. And then, lalagay tayo ng mask. And then, yung mask nila. So, mag-wear na ako. Ayan guys, nag-start naman na yung event, and ayan lang, nagbabantay lang ako and to coordinate and assist the guest. So, hindi ko kayo mapapakita sa labas kasi nga confidential, then may mga guests na dumadating. So, sasama ko na lang kayo whenever it is possible and allowed. tayo sa Burj Khalifa. Mag-isa po. And I'm just waiting for someone. Kasi tapos na yung event natin, yung duty natin. And just waiting for someone para makarating siya here. So, ayan po. Madam, welcome to Bash!